Hello friends, I am your host Rakesh from Digital World Tech Solution. Welcome you to my channel. Guys, today I have brought for you a very special free customized sales format that will give you very fresh look to you and your customer and help you to boost your sales. Before starting session, guys, I would like you to request please go to YouTube and subscribe my channel and get notified for all upcoming latest videos. So guys, as we know, Busy Accounting Software is a very good accounting software. Busy help us to manage our business operation in terms of accounts, inventory and customized reports. Apart from that, Busy provide us the facility to customize our invoice format also. And to customize the invoice format, you require a very basic HTML knowledge. So guys, as per our friends request and our friends comments, we have created a very nice, colorful and customized invoice format that can help you into give you a fresh look and boost your sales. So guys, without wasting the time, let's go to today's session. So guys, if you're going to use a Busy accounting software, you know that Busy provide us some facility to customize our invoice formats also. But to customize our invoice formats, we require a very basic HTML knowledge, and with the help of that, you'll be able to customize your invoice formats. But guys, if you want us to customize your invoice format, I'll be help you out also. So I will show you. I have created one invoice format, you guys, in the Busy accounting software. This is a customized invoice format. You can see guys here. See guys, it look like this. It will give you the fresh look. It will give you the logo on the top, then party details, invoice details, salesman detail, payment terms and everything in a very professional manner, and the colorful details, right guys? So if you go back to our basic invoice format into the Busy accounting software, how it look like, I'll show it to you. I'll go to sales invoice, go to modify here, then I have created one invoice format. I will open in the modify mode. I'll show it to you. The series name is main, the date is coming, then voucher number is coming, what is the voucher types, direct or against challan, what is sale type. I have choose the item wise tax here, what is the party name. So guys, if I just open the party name here, you can see the party name is Almaya Dubai 1, right? The print name is coming there, and then group is coming there. What is the address for this particular company? What is the country? What is the emirate? And if they have the TN details and so on, right? And apart from that, I have mentioned the customer email ID, customer mobile number, customer contact person name, and the credit days for the sale. Like I have mentioned 60 days. Okay guys, and after I just save the invoice. And when I just going to create the sales invoice, I just mention the party name here, Almaya Dubai 1. Then material center is main store because I'm going to sell my material from main store only. So what is the item name? Acer 4GB SSD. And guys, here I mentioned few extra details for the particular item. I have mentioned one field name called brand for my item, that is like brand of my item name. Here I just put Acer as my item name is Acer 4GB SSD. It's a SSD card. And then I mentioned some description of the item, like what is the color, what is the size, and after that I just went okay, and what is the quantity I'm going to sell here, what is the unit, what is the price, what is the amount, and then tax details. So guys, after that, in the bill sundry section for extra expenses, I just mentioned some freight charges, that is 100 dirhams, and apart from that I have mentioned some discount as well, that is 2% only guys. So 23 dirham is this much here. So total invoice value is 1127 dirhams. Okay guys, so I just click on save here, and then I can choose one salesman name here, that is called Ajay. Then click on OK here. The new reference is coming here to adjustment of the bill details here. I press OK here. Next, when you're going to print the sales invoice, you can see guys, if I just choose standard invoice format, it will look like this. You can see there's no logo, only the basic invoice format details are coming here. See guys, TN number is there, tax details is tax invoice format is there, company name is there, party details and the salesman details are coming in this section here. But if you want to customize this invoice format, you can just use our invoice format here, what I created for you guys. If I just open this invoice format again into the modify mode, you can see guys, if I press Alt P here, then sales invoice here, then custom format, then preview. So guys, you can see this is the customized invoice format here. I have customized this invoice format guys. So if you want to use this invoice format, you can ask me in the comment box as well. You can see how it look like, how it's a fresh look, how the color is coming to this invoice format, right? How the sales details are coming there, how the payment terms are coming there, then the contact person details are coming here. So guys, you can use this invoice format, but before giving this invoice format, I would like you to request a few things. I have customized the invoice format, And if you want to use this invoice format, how to use, you have to just ask in the comment box, and I'll share you this file by email. And after just loading this file into this busy accounting software, what you have to do, even if you want to download the file and upload the file into the busy accounting software, what you have to do, you have to go to simply admin section here, administration section here, then configurations here, then invoice document printing here, then advanced here, then here you have to go to sales. And if I give you file and you have to download file into desktop folder, then simply click on copy from disk, and here you can choose a desktop, and if the file is located from there, it will take automatically from there in this way, right guys? So like that you can just load the file and it will come to you like this custom format. And here guys, what you have to do, you have to go to simply header section here. So guys, this is the HTML code here for this particular invoice format, and I would like you to request, because this is my invoice format logo here, but if you want to put your logo here, what you have to do, you have to simply go to here this section, then you have to go to the particular logo for the particular item here, then simply click right click here, go to properties here, then go to security here, then choose the object name from here in this way, and copy the path from here. And after that guys, what you have to do, you have to simply go from here and you have to go to this image tag after opening this format here, and you have to copy this path and paste in the section here, JP section. You have to simply paste it here like this, Control V. I pasted this path here, then I click on save here. So guys, I have pasted this path here, and if I see the preview, my invoice format look like in this section here. So this is fine here, this invoice format, just pick up my logo from here. And next, simply you have to like add few things here, as I explained to you one more time. You have to go to simply voucher series configuration here, then you have to go to sales invoice here, go to series main, then you have to go to voucher configuration here. And guys, you can see here, as I mentioned, the brand name field next to my item here, you can just add one more field here called yes here. Then what you can put the name of the particular field here. I just put the brand because I want to put the brand name over there. And apart from that, if you want to put some item wise description here as well, you can simply go to configure here, and you can add how many description lines you want to print it here. I just put 2 here, so 2 is coming there, color and size here. So guys, after entering all these details, you have to click on save here. Click on save, and when you next time when you go to invoice format, go to modify here, and you can see in the item section the brand name field is coming here as well, then color name is coming there, and the size is coming there. So guys, you have to enter all these detail, and when you click on save here, and then the last, if you want to print the salesman name here as well, you can print the salesman name here as well. Put the salesman name, click OK here, and print the sales invoice format. And guys, here you have to choose the format name, custom format, this format, and click on preview and print as you want guys. So when you are going to print this invoice format, it will look like this. And in some cases, if you are not able to fetch the company logo here, you have to go back to the code and put the path properly into the code section here. I'll explain you one more time how to put the logo here. You have to go to administration section here, then configuration here, invoice document printing, advanced, sales invoice format here, then custom format, header section guys. You have to put the path in the same way. In the image tag, after this comma, you have to put the path here until .jpg. Don't remove this comma from here, okay? And then if you want to change the width, and this is the width of the particular logo, and this is the height of the logo. You can change the height and width from here, this section, okay? And after that, entering that, you can simply go to preview, and you can see if your logo is displaying into the invoice format or not displaying here. You can test it here, and if it's working fine here, you can simply click on save here, and you can use into the invoice format here. So friends, I hope video going to help you into the busy business here also. And guys, if you need this customized invoice format, please ask me in my comment box, and we will send you this free file as per your request. So guys, in the end, again one more time, I would like you to request one more time to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for all upcoming videos. Thank you so much guys.